Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G52, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off auto rotation on this Motorola. Start by exiting Tab menu. Now look for auto rotate icon, and when you find it, just click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is definitely on. In order to turn it off, just click again. If you wish to, you can always go into settings as well. Tap on display section over here. Scroll down just a bit and click on the switcher next to auto rotate screen. If the switcher is blue, that means that auto rotation is on. If you wish to turn it off, just click on the switcher again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!